Well, today is Earth Day, the perfect time to learn more about renewable energy. John Sheldon, Business Intelligence Manager for Renu Energy Solutions, is here to share some more. Tell us about Renu and what folks going to see. We got a video that we're going to go ahead and play.
Absolutely. Yeah, Renu has been around for 11 years. We service the Carolinas from the coast to the mountains. We focus on three primary products. That's solar panels, that's batteries, and that's EV chargers. And we've been installing for residential homes and commercial businesses, such as the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department, as well as the Charlotte Motor Speedway. And we are based here in Charlotte.
No, I know solar is a big deal now. So what is solar storage? What is that?
So solar storage has come about now for the last few years in a very usable, practical way, but it has been a technology that's been around for several years before that. The energy storage is what collects the sun's electricity. The panels produce electricity and it goes into the battery. And the battery is what's going to power your house at nighttime. It's also going to keep your home powered during an outage. So this technology is really exciting, and it's what I'm happy to share today on Earth Day.
So what are some of the biggest benefits of solar storage? I know everybody, this is a rage, everybody's trying to do solar storage right now.
Yeah, one of the biggest benefits is that you're going to use it every single night. So you're going to stretch the sun's energy that's been produced during the day into the nighttime. A lot of people think when the sun goes down that you're not going to have solar energy anymore. With an energy storage system, that solar energy that was collected during the day, you get to use that at night. And then another huge benefit is in the event of an outage, you're going to be able to then get that solar energy to keep your lights on, your fridge cold, any electrical appliance you could use, and that's what's going to make sure that the battery works great for you.
And so does it renew each day with the sun coming up? Is that how it does work? And do you continue to store that for like months? How does that work?
Yeah, so it's a closed loop. It's like a microgrid, so it's between the solar panels and the battery. Every single day the sun comes out, the battery gets recharged, and then that energy that's held in the battery is what goes into the house for all of your electrical devices.
And now this is really a nice convenience now for people.
Oh, very convenient. It's pre-set up. Renu Energy Solutions does a fantastic job making sure that the system's going to work and it's going to power the devices that you want to have powered. Different homes require a different amount of batteries, but there's a solution for everybody out there.
Okay, now where can people find more information?
They can certainly look for us online at Renu Energy Solutions. That's RENU energysolutions.com, and they can get more information and see what their options are there.
John, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thanks, Eugene.